Hi everyone. Today, I am going to guide you about the latest feature, in-app messaging in BuyMyStuff that is surely going to help both the buyers and sellers. With this remarkable in-app messaging feature, BuyMyStuff ensures seamless communication, making the buying process smoother, more transparent, and utterly hassle-free. This in-app messaging includes three options. First is the product and service badge. This means when you search the shop for your favorite product, before adding your product to the cart, you can discuss the product details. For that, you have to click on this message option. Here, the product badge appears in this chat section, and you can communicate about the product with the shop owner. Next, comes the online and offline status. When you click on messages, you can check whether the shop owner has read your message or not. If an orange tick mark appears, it means your message has been read by the seller. Lastly, comes the media sharing option. Through this option, you can share media to ask about your relevant query. So, in this way, you will surely build strong customer relations, and it becomes easy to communicate during your purchasing process. I hope this video tutorial will help you to understand how our in-app messaging option benefits buyers and sellers.